Hey guys, today I want to be showing you how you guys can get Firelink on your Android devices, either if it's your tablet, phone, or Android TV box. So you guys can have access to my store. There I have 100 applications where you can watch your movies, live TV, and have a great streaming, okay? And all of them are up to date, so you guys can enjoy it, okay? So first thing we're gonna do is just open your browser. I have my Google Chrome here, but you guys can use any one that you have. You guys select on it, and we're gonna type the file URL. So it's Android Wizard Pro.ca, okay? You guys select enter, and you guys are at my website, okay? So you guys feel free to, look around. So for this particular video, we're gonna be looking for Firelink. We're gonna download it. You're gonna select download here. You're gonna select open. Then we're just gonna select install, please. And don't worry, I will be leaving the link for my website on the bottom of the video description for you guys. So we're gonna select done, and we can go back, and now we're gonna go to applications or apps, and here you have it, okay? So I'm gonna select the Firelink. Here, as you guys can see it better, and we're gonna select. Well, first you have to do, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please select, just hit that subscribe button there, and you guys can enjoy all my content that I will be bringing to you guys, new application, boxes, reviews, and more. Okay, so just put the pin that you see there, sorry, the code that you see there from my store. I also will be leaving it on the bottom of the video description, so you guys can get it there. And after you guys put it, we're just gonna select continue. Okay, now you guys come to this page that you have to put your pin. So my pin is 0411, okay? And we're just gonna select continue. And a request for Android Wizard, please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna dismiss that. And guys, welcome to my store. Here you have all the best applications for watching movies, TV shows, live TV, sports. And this is a pop-up from the developer. If you guys want the new letters from, get news, if you guys want to subscribe, it's up to you. I'm just gonna hit dismiss. So you guys have a lot of application here, like all those from Latinos to French to Italian. You have a lot of content here, okay guys? So feel free to select for anything that you want, and you can download it here, okay? So for instead let's see, if you want something here, you want see something here. I want TV, so let's select that one. You see the green line is flying to the other side there, and where's the play button? We're gonna select on it, and it's gonna ask you if you want to cancel, you want to install, you select install, and just like that, you guys will have Scion TV, okay? Or TV Scion, and select open, and just like that, you guys have it. Okay guys, so if you guys like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay guys, Have a good one.